Hearing the cuckoo's call makes you feel good, but do you know that this bird is actually one of nature's most cruel deceivers? The cuckoo never builds its own nest, does not incubate its own eggs, and does not even feed its own young for a day. So who takes care of the cuckoo's young? And how does it fool other birds so perfectly? How? Does a female cuckoo quietly keep an eye on another bird's nest in the spring? It could be a dull, shellic, or a myna's nest. Just when the owner of the nest goes a little away, the cuckoo quickly enters. Only 10 seconds. After laying an egg, it flies away again. The most terrifying thing is that the cuckoo's eggs look almost exactly like the real eggs in the nest. The color, size, and even the small spots. This is no coincidence. It is the result of millions of years of evolution. Scientists have named this strategy brood parasitism, meaning raising its own offspring like a parasite in someone else's nest. Doesn't it end here? Cuckoo eggs usually hatch earlier, and within a few hours of birth, that little baby pushes the other eggs out of the nest, one by one without opening its eyes. It does not learn this cruel behavior. It is its innate instinct. We think of the cuckoo as a sweet-making bird, a symbol of love. But in reality, it is a kind of biological assassin. Its entire life strategy is based on deception. And the bird that works hard to bring food all day long never realizes that it is the baby as its own child. It is actually none of its own. Nature is sometimes terribly cruel. So the next time you hear the cuckoo's call, remember that behind this sweet voice lies one of the oldest and darkest secrets of nature. A duck and a chicken lay eggs at the same time, but a duck's egg is almost twice as big as a chicken's egg. Why? The real reason behind this is not just their larger bodies. The real secret lies in their lifestyle. Think about it. If you spend all day swimming in the water, enduring the sun and rain, then your body will need more fuel, right? Chickens spend most of their time in a safe environment inside the coop. But ducks and swans swim in the water every day. They endure the cold, and they make an egg for their young that is like a tiffin box. It is full of food and energy. Because ducklings can walk and swim as soon as they hatch, they have to be born much stronger than chickens. Now let's talk about science. Duck eggs are about 50 to 100% larger than chicken eggs. There's a huge difference, not only in size, but also in the ingredients inside. The yolk of duck eggs is larger than chicken eggs, and it also contains more fat. Duck eggs contain about 13.5 grams of protein per 100 grams, whereas chicken eggs contain 30.3 grams. In addition, duck eggs contain about 50% more monounsaturated fat than chicken eggs. And they are rich in vitamin B12, which helps keep the heart healthy. The great creator has made the eggs of every animal perfectly according to the needs of its young. This is like a perfect design. But the most amazing information has not been told yet. A duck egg can provide the same nutrition as about 1.5 to 2 chicken eggs. And the shell of a duck egg is much thicker and stronger than that of a chicken egg. Do you know why? Because ducks lay their eggs on the ground behind bushes or near water, where the risk of predators is much higher. So the great creator has given that egg extra protection so that external injuries cannot easily harm the inner life. Every detail of nature is as if it is calculated. A mother who slowly dies after giving birth to her children is not sick or weak. Rather, it is a terrible biological mystery hidden inside her body. Why does a mother octopus give up food after laying eggs? Why does she waste her body just for a few thousand children? In the dark depths of the ocean, a mother octopus lives not for herself, but for future generations. After laying eggs, she chooses a safe place and guards it there, day after day, night after night. She only cleans the eggs, runs water, and protects them from predators. But at this time, an incredible change begins in her body. The mother octopus gradually stops eating. Her powerful arms do not work as before. The body begins to weaken. It even begins to use its own tissues to use energy. But why? Scientists have found that a special gland near the octopus's brain plays a major role in controlling this change. After laying eggs, chemical signals released from this gland change her body in such a way that it seems to be entering the last chapter of her life. Imagine an animal whose body is so intelligent that it can run away, hide, and change its color. That animal uses its last strength and unsheath just to keep its eggs alive. The most surprising thing is, the mother octopus usually does not see her children grow up. Many mother octopuses lose their lives when the eggs hatch and the little octopuses come out. But behind this sacrifice there is an extraordinary biological system created by the great creator. Because the entire life of the mother octopus seems to be designed for one purpose: to pass on her knowledge and strength to the next generation. And here comes the most surprising mystery. If an octopus can even give its life for its children, then how many unknown things are hidden in the bodies of other animals, hidden in the depths of the sea?